The office is generally buzzing on a Wednesday. We have our team meeting and we also have a number of BDMs visiting us. We're going to start today with our team meeting. We've got a few special guests joining us, so we'll allow you to sit in and see what the team talk about on our weekly catch-up. First one, we've got our anniversary for this week is Rain. 2 years. Now, despite market conditions and despite the industry writing and struggling to write loans, Birdie had a record month last month in submissions. So, well done to the team. So, good job. The good news is that was spread really evenly between all the brokers, so every broker hit over target, so it wasn't just one having a blinder. Well done. Everyone went over. Finalist nominations came through for MFAA. We're finalists in all 4 company awards, which is really cool. So they are for Best Customer Service, Diversified Business, Best Brokerage, and Best Looking Team.
Good. Yeah. Best Looking Team.
Yeah.
Did you use my headshot?
The last one was the Community Award as well. So well done. Finalists in all. There's only 4 categories available for the company and we got all 4. So well done.
Tea.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Neither.
Neither.
Scotch and water.
Coffee.
Tea.
Coffee.
Maybe Wednesdays.
Fridays. Wednesday.
Friday.
Wednesday.
Friday.
Wednesday.
Fridays.
Whatever I've brought in.
I don't. Coffee. Amanda's treat.
I don't snack.
Anything with carbs.
Alan's snakes.
The whatever's in the jar. So picnics.
I don't use the snack machine. I've got my own supply of jerky.
Lunches on the balcony.
Coffee. Getting together in a boardroom and having a drink.
Giving banter to the rest of the Birdie employees.
Melbourne Cup Day.
Friday lunch.
Going across the road to the pub for lunch on a Friday if I'm ever in.
Maybe Friday lunch.
This one.
This one?
The 3-seater, because I have friends.
This one. With the view.
The window seat in the other office, the big office.
My office.
The 3-person office.
Mine over there that they keep stealing.
Natalie's got the best spot because she's got the city views. We've now got George from AFG joining us. So AFG is our aggregator and license holder. They help us with compliance, with software, and make sure we're hitting our goals as a business. So once the broker has the first meeting, drafts up the strategy, goes through all the credit concerns that may occur on the application, they hand it over to the para broker who does all the research, looks into lending options. Every Wednesday when we've got the team in, we also invite one of the banks to join us and give us an update on their products and policies. We want to make sure we're up to date with what banks are approving what loans, so we give ourselves the best chance of giving our clients the best offer.
Amanda.
Amanda,
Amanda, of course.
Amanda.
Amanda for sure.
Amanda.
I don't know. Beck.
Maybe Taylor.
No idea.
Taylor.
I'll go with Taylor.
Or me or Taylor.
Taylor?
I think Taylor.
Not me.
Me.
I'm thinking Nath.
Me.
Not me.
Not me.
Nathan.
Me. Easy. Easily.
Probably me, but I wouldn't get on with it. Beck.
Natalie Denya, hands down.
You.
Probably split between Keely,
You.
Nat,
Keely.
Me.
Beck, and maybe even Amanda, actually.
Keely.
Everyone said me.